Oh my God. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the unlocked PCM and the 91 octane tune. So the first thing you want to make sure of is if you have a taser, make sure that you unmarry it and go ahead and disconnect it. Also, if you haven't watched my previous video on the installation of the Diablosport Trinity 2 and the bypass cable, make sure you watch that first because you're going to need to do those things before installing the unlocked PCM. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. This is the unlocked PCM inside of here, as you can see. And basically what they do is they take a used PCM, modify it to unlock it, and then they send that to you, and then I have to take mine out and send it back to them. They give you these instructions here. So the first step really would be connecting the security bypass cable, which I did in my video. And then from there, you would go to tuning, like you're going to tune the vehicle, turn the key on, wait, get vehicle information, factory data retrieved. I got this message already. Continue to reboot. I disconnected the Trinity. So basically I just need to disconnect the battery. I need to remove the factory PCM and install the unlocked PCM, reconnect the battery, and then we'll pick up here. So we just need to pop up these tabs, 13mm bolt, that'll help loosen it. Go ahead and remove this cabin air filter cover. And then we can kind of lift this up out of the way. And then there's a bolt right here. Now we can lift this up and start working to disconnect the PCM. Trying to make sure that okay. So you just pull this lever. Okay, that's pretty easy actually. If you can see, it's kind of hard because you don't get a lot of room. But these are going to be down. So basically what you're going to do is press in on this tab right here and then pull up on this lever. And both of them function like that. So that's how you get these off. You want to be real careful. You can see these connectors. The PCM cables are also color coded. You have one that's gray, one that's brown. The plugs that plug into here match the colors, so you can't really mix these up. And you can see these pins in here. You want to make sure that you don't bend any of these pins or damage any of them. If your PCM is damaged or you try to send them one from a junkyard or something, they're going to reject it and charge you a $600 core fee. So when you get this, make sure that you read through all these papers. But now we just need to go ahead and put this bad boy in, the unlocked PCM, and we'll go from there. So we're going to need to remove nuts right here and also this piece right here. So this is our new PCM and our factory one. So put that in. Okay. Yep, we're ready to reinstall the battery, so let's do that, and then we'll get in the car. All right, guys, so moment of truth. We have the unlocked PCM installed. Now we need to hook up the Trinity. So we're going to go into tuning. Tune vehicle. We're going to go 91 octane tune. Performance trans tune. 91 octane tune. I guess performance trans tune. Go install. ECM 91 octane TCM performance trans tune. Accept and install. Turn ignition off. Ignition on. Do not start the engine. I've seen people make that mistake. Okay, brake pedal relearn is required. Please ensure the brake pedal is released and press continue. This is doing some stuff too, if you guys hear the beeping. So you'll see some messages pop up there while this is happening, assuming that's normal. So your vehicle has been successfully tuned. Press continue to return to the main menu. So there we go. Loading gauges. We're going to start her up, let it run for more than 3 seconds, and test the accelerator. Start it up. So let's test the accelerator. Sounds good. All right, so we'll turn it off. All right, guys, so I did the 91 octane tune, performance trans tune. What I modified was I turned off the 4-cylinder mode, and the throttle booster, I upped it 10%. So let's go ahead and accept and install. I want to be able to feel this thing. I want to be able to feel a difference, man. As much money as I paid, I need to feel a noticeable difference. So this should do it. So we're going to go ahead and let this install, and then we'll go ahead and take it out for a test. All right, guys, so it's time for the first drive. And I don't have my performance pages up yet. I do have this, but really we're just trying to see what it feels like. So, whoa, I could already feel it. It already just wants to go. So let's see, let me get straight. Here we go. Jeez, whoa, whoa, whoa. We'll go out this weekend and get some more pulls. I'll try to get some more 0 to 60s in. But guys, stay tuned, because the 91 octane is not the final tune that I'm going for. I am going to get a custom tune, and stay tuned because I'll be talking about the place that's going to do my tune, and I'll be showing the process of the data logging, the specific type of tune that I want to go for, kind of what I'm looking to gain. And I'll also be doing some more videos on the Diablo Trinity, showing some more of its features, so you guys can stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.